I'm telling you that now that I'm inside your house, I own your house right now. Yes.
Hey everybody, rare that you get a video like this, but had to put this one out today. So, you get a double feature. I saw a video this morning that made me sick to my stomach. After seeing the video, I immediately started looking for the homeowner. Fortunately, she was looking for me as well and sent me this video.
Okay,
then back the f up out of my house. You do not have a right to be inside my house. I will talk to you outside.
Just back up and talk to her outside. No.
You don't have a warrant. No, don't talk to them. You do not have a warrant to be inside.
Sorry,
I will talk to you outside.
You want?
Officer, I will talk to you.
I am not going to step outside your house.
You do not have a warrant to be inside of my house.
I'm not inside your house. Okay.
You're inside of my house.
Let me tell you why I'm right here.
Because you walked in.
No, because they opened the door and ran from me.
And
that's why.
I'm telling you, I am the adult
and I'm
here.
telling
This
you
is my home.
that now that I'm inside your house, I own your house right now.
You do not.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
You're bro.
What I mean?
I know my rights.
I don't care if you know your rights.
And I'm telling you, my dog will bite you if I tell her to bite you.
Tell
So
your
I'm
dog to
asking
bite
you to back up.
Tell your dog to bite
and
you.
I will talk to you outside.
I'm not going to talk to you
What
outside.
the f do you want? What the f do you want inside my house? Bring your supervisor to my home now. Yeah, bring them all. You have no right to be inside. No, don't talk to them.
Please.
You have no right to be inside because they opened the door. They're minors. I'm the adult here. This is my home.
She said she's the adult.
She's not the f. She's my daughter. Get the f out of my home.
I'm not going to get out of your house.
Then call your f supervisor right f now.
415 noise.
And put me to the f ground. I f double dog dare you.
Go ahead and touch me.
This is my home, bro. You're in my house.
I am telling you.
You're in my house. Don't do that. You're in my house. I didn't touch you. Her. Did I touch you? Stop. Did I touch you?
No, stop. You can't do anything.
Did I touch you?
You're just gonna make it worse.
Did I ever touch you? I did not fucking
She's
touch you,
good.
bro.
She's good.
Step away.
I didn't fucking touch you.
Nah, you're good. You're good. Mama D, stop. Mama D, stop. Mama
I
D.
didn't fucking touch you. You're intimidated,
Mama,
bro. You're in my house.
I am telling
You're
you.
in my house.
Don't do that.
You're
Hey,
in my house. Stop. She's hurt. Did I touch you? What's wrong with you? Did I touch you? Did I?
You can't do anything.
Oh my Step away.
No, I know. We just want to relax her. We just want her to calm down.
Bro.
We just want her to calm
You're
down.
in
Mama
my
D,
home.
Mama D, please. Please, Mama D.
Oh, this.
No, Mama D, stop. Mama D, stop. Please. Please.
You're
Please.
in my fucking home. Mom, stop.
Stop. Just stop.
Stop acting
Stop.
like that.
Just stop.
Stop.
Just stop. Just stop. You're good.
Get off of me. I'm not hurting
No,
you.
she's good. She's good.
Am
You're
I
good, Mama
hurting
D.
you?
You're good,
Did
Mama
I
D.
hurt you? Did I hurt you? Did I hurt you?
I told you, right?
Did I hurt you?
I told you to step
You're
away.
in my. Did I touch you?
I've been recording this whole
Ever once did I touch you? Keep this on video.
I am.
Did I touch you
Look,
one
just-
time? I have it on the ring. I don't give a bro. Did I touch you one time? You're intimidated by me?
This is unnecessary. This was
Get
totally
the fuck out of here.
unnecessary.
Call your supervisor right fucking now.
Mama D,
Put me up against the wall.
Please,
No,
Mama D.
they don't have to.
Please, Mama D.
No,
please,
don't go
please.
inside.
Please,
Don't go
please.
inside.
We don't have to go inside.
Don't go
I
inside.
just want to de-escalate.
Don't go inside.
It's done.
Keep it on. Do not go inside. Don't listen to him. Oh, look at all these cops coming for a little fight.
Obviously, there's many things wrong with this video. The officer tried to claim that the kid opened the door and then ran away, but he didn't. He opened the door, saw the deputy, and shut the door to go find the adult. Deputy Huizar had no right to enter that house, and crossing that threshold without exigent circumstances or warrant was a violation of the homeowner's rights. After that video ends, about 8 cops showed up on scene and the homeowner was charged with resisting arrest. Her first court date is very soon. I'll be helping her get the body cam footage, incident reports, and most importantly, a lawyer. So if you are or know somebody who is an attorney that wants to handle both of these cases, the criminal and the civil side, reach out by using my email address listed below. A link to the agency and the homeowner's YouTube channel can also be found in the description.